Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to control whether EasyEDA keeps or reassigns component designator when you place or copy parts. When designing a circuit, there are usually two situations. Sometimes you want newly placed or copied components to get new designator automatically, so it's easier to tell them apart. Other times you might want to keep the original designators, so your project stays consistent. Let's see how to set this up. First, let's look at the schematic settings. Click on Setting button on the top menu. In the pop-up window, go to Schematic symbol, General, on the left. On the right side, on the Others, you'll find an option called Annotate Designator automatically while placing or past device. If you check this box, EasyEDA will automatically give a new designator when placing or passing a part. If you uncheck it, it will keep the existing one. Once you're done, click Apply or Confirm to save the change. Next, let's move on to PCB footprint settings. Again, click the Setting button at the top. In the Setting window, choose PCB footprint, General on the left. On the right side, you'll see an option called Resolve Designator when pasting. If it's checked, copied parts will keep their designators. If not, EasyEDA will assign new ones automatically. With those two settings, you can easily switch between keeping or reassigning designator depending on your workflow. It helps maintain consistency when needed, or keep things organized when duplicating parts. Overall, this is a super handy feature that gives you more flexibility and efficiency when managing component levels in both your schematic and PCB design.